With a wingspan up to 7.5 feet, it's one of North America's largest raptors. From Alaska to Florida, these birds are masters of the skies. They hunt fish with incredible precision, swooping at speeds over 100 miles per hour. Fish are their favorite meal, but they'll eat other small animals too. Bald eagles build the largest tree nests of any bird, sometimes weighing a ton. They mate for life, returning to the same nest year after year. These birds once faced extinction due to hunting and pesticides. In 1782, the bald eagle was chosen as America's national emblem. Thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers have rebounded. Today, they're a living symbol of freedom and resilience. The bald eagle, nature's reminder of America's untamed spirit. Meet the bald eagle, America's national bird and a symbol of strength.